Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. Let's introduce the first Regency RV this lot has ever seen, and I am pretty excited to show you guys this coach. It is an exceptionally well-built Class B, and it's got a lot of great little features that I think you guys will love. So this is a 2018 Regency Exalta M2. It's a twin bed setup. It's on the, obviously, the Mercedes chassis with the Mercedes diesel engine in it. And it's going to be a pretty quick walkthrough because there's not much going on the outside, and it's Class B, so you can only fit so much on the inside. It does have satellite AC up top, no awning on this guy. Currently on the tires, we got some hand cooks. Let's see, we got some 215 85R16s, and our date code is non-existent on this tire. We'll double check. Do have outdoor shower right here, magnets for the doors, little stoppers, but you can't really use them with this little extra hitch storage system they have right here. Actually quite nice little manual hold up, and it does lock into place. Now this is a rear bathroom setup, so it's pretty unique on the inside. You can see your dump stations are right here. Now the hitch, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see 5,000 pounds on that tag right there, so you can pull something behind here. Now in terms of storage, there isn't any. None on the outside, really. That's probably why they added the little extra tow hitch storage. Water lines right there. Area to store a hose right there. Well, that's literally... Oh, you also saw some cable connection right there, too. That's honestly it. But this is an exceptionally beautiful coach. It's very well built, like I was saying earlier. The paint scheme on it, I think they call this the sport paint scheme. They had something with full graphics and then full body paint. I think this probably looks the best. It's a little stealthy. Got all this chrome up top. We got it over in detail right now, so we'll get all these bugs off. Oh, this poor pea. Now this, I don't know about this. Maybe need some new friends because all mine drive Civics. All right, let's jump. Oh, you know what? Before we jump inside, let's find the dang date code. My gosh. Okay, wow, we are getting lucky. Okay, so far. Oh, there we go. Okay, 0622. Finally, my gosh. So these tires are barely a year old. Now, my first favorite part about this coach, obviously it's a slide door. It does have a screen. Look at that latch right there. It's one of those magnetic screens. I don't know why. They're so cheap. They're so easy to install, but they are fantastic. I just love that. Perfect for a bug screen. Perfect going in and out. Doesn't take any pressure at all to open it. You just pretty much walk in. And this is what you see right when you come in. Like I said, a twin bed setup. Rear bath, very, very cool. This thing is loaded with options. We'll look at that here in a second. Let's start up front. So one of the options was the upgraded seats. See, kind of a little bit nicer upholstery on them, and they're leather. They do swivel. They are Mercedes seats though, so you got a lot of manual adjustments for the back, the lumbar. Pretty much everything's manual. 37,918, good strong startup. Another option was the leather and wood wrap steering wheel, and on the shifter, whoa, oh, whoa, no dum-dum. Whoa, stop it. All right, sorry about that. So yeah, wood grain, leather, shifter, and steering wheel was another option. I mean, this thing has the majority of the options available for the coach. I also love the floor. It's a woven floor. It's kind of like soft to the touch, so it's very comfortable if you're on just bare feet. See down there? I would use that as a leash latch too. Perfect for animals. All right, and then they do also have the upgraded Pioneer screen. You probably already saw that listening to Calm Down. All right, other than that, a couple speakers, sun visors, baby little storage right there. And then we do have some storage above this little cab area. This is like a cover. All right, and that is the front cab. We're gonna try to turn it around decently so you guys can see. So TV right here is on a full mount. You can't put that all the way back. You got a whole bunch of drawers. Check this out. Oh, soft close drawers throughout. And let me tell you, these things, solid. So a good amount of storage there. All right, fine, we'll hit it. $99,995 is what we're selling this coach for. There's some of the basic specs. Floor plan, far left, see the highlighted one. Some of that fun stuff. And then I only highlighted the options I could find. And I think it's called sport paint. Where is that? Right there. I don't think it's the full paint. I'm pretty sure it's a sport paint. And I'll be honest, I don't know about the warm waves heating system. Gotta do some more research on that. But if you do have any questions on it, I'll put all my contact info on the screen, so you can give me a call, shoot me a text, shoot me an email, however I can help. So we're gonna sit right back down in this passenger seat. Another option, counter light, which is kind of nice. And it does, you can dim it a little bit. It doesn't do too much. But then I love newer coaches with these kind of light control panels, all lights. All light, except the bathroom, but you have another control panel for the bathroom right there. So you can do just cabinet lights on this. You can do coach light, generator on and off, porch light, and let's see if that gen goes on. It should start up here in a second. And as we wait, let's continue on. So into the kitchen area. Right before the kitchen, do have a fantastic fan that has a nice little push button cover. The contour microwave. Yeah, smart right there. Wrap it up. The fridge, push down to open. A little bit different, but kind of nice. Ooh, very chilly too. And then we got your wardrobe just left of that. Some nice padded inside of here too. Other than that, two more soft close drawers, and then your water heater, which is right there. Generator not starting. Let's see. Press it again. Hope for the best. Is it a push and hold? I'm gonna figure that out eventually. All right, so one of my small complaints, it's nice, you got the Corian solid surface countertop covers, except for the single stovetop right here, your little induction cooktop. This cover, you got to figure out an area to put that thing. Next up, your sink. Decently deep for the size, actually. And then we do have some storage down below. You got 4 drawers right there. You got one right here, which isn't a drawer, but the actual trash is on a slider. I do have to fix this one latch right here. It is broken. No big deal, though. All right. Now moving our way on back, you got your twin bed set up. I looked a lot. I couldn't find any way to kind of connect these and make it just one big kind of massive sleeper. Under each side, we do have some storage. And that, oh, come on, phone, turn. There we go. So all these down here are not cabinetry. And same goes for the other side. Lift this up, you got some storage under there. Okay, fine, I'll show you. Oh my gosh, I can't get my phone to turn. There we go. Now, we're gonna back it up here for a quick second. On the left side, we have a whole bunch of cabinetry. AC works fantastic in here. It's 102, I think, today. Blows my mind how solid all these doors are. So a good amount of storage there. Very, very similar on the left side, except there's one less storage area. And then another TV on a mount right there, which is nice. One of my favorite features in here are the shade controls. So you got coach lights, shade, DVR, driver, passenger, obviously. Click and hold that DVR shade, and would you look at that? 2 shades on this side come down. I should have adjusted that pillow, dadgum. And then on the other side, we got the same thing except for the passenger shades. Now they are just blackout shades. You don't have kind of your daytime shades in here, but you know, that's all right with me. Little lights, little power inputs, very nice. And of course the bathroom. So normally you got a screen here. You can completely, hard to do with one hand, completely shut this off from the outside elements. You also do have manual MCD shades in here too, which are kind of nice. And you can't completely open the door when you don't have the storage there. Just to the left, Solid surface countertop, metal sink. Not really, I mean, kind of storage, but you got a whole lot of plumbing in the way. And then there's some more. There's some actual storage down there. Oh, yeah, adjust that door too. Medicine cabinet, and then right behind us. Sorry, it's a little tight, but we do have your wet bath. So toilet, shower, all in here with your locking cabinet door. You know how much I love those. And it looks tight, but for the size of this unit, it's not terrible. Got a full shower. You can actually stand up in there. I'm also only 5'9", so may help. That's it. 2018 Regency RV Exalta M2. Oh, the cicadas are going a little wild out here. I love this coach. I've never seen a Regency before. I thought it was super unique. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And then, of course, this thing is for sale. $99,995 here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. My name's Taylor Quayle. I'm a sales guy here. I'd love to help you out or answer any questions for you if you do have any. And then I'll put my contact info on the screen one more time if you want a Carfax or any additional info. But thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully I answered a question. And I hope you guys have a great day. Right after I said bye, of course, the generator started. It's a click and hold. Have a great day, guys.